Adding an admin to a Facebook group allows you to share the responsibility of managing the group and its members. So to begin, you're going to need an existing admin of the group. So once you're logged into Facebook, navigate to the group where you want to add an admin. On the group page, click on the members section, which you can find on the left sidebar under the More tab, depending on your layout. In the members list, locate the person you want to make an admin. You can search for the name directly or scroll through the list. Next to their name, click the three dots, More Options, and you're going to see a drop-down menu with different options. Select Make Admin from this list. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about granting admin privileges to that person. Once confirmed, the user will have full administrative rights, allowing them to manage posts, approve new members, and modify group settings. It's important to choose someone that you trust, as admins have a significant control over the group. If you want to remove someone from being an admin later, simply follow the same steps and choose Remove as Admin instead. Admins can also create or edit rules and moderate group content. All right? Let me know if this helped.